What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and if you don't know me, we go over tools, tips, and tricks to make money online. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and comment below that you subscribed. And today, let's go ahead and dive right into print on demand in 2020. So I started this store about, I want to say 6 to 5 weeks ago, just to test it out. I've never used Gear Bubble before. So far, I've been actually somewhat pleasantly surprised of how well this went. I've tried Shopify stores, print on demand stores in the past, and it failed. That was about 2 years ago. Then I kind of got discouraged about not trying any kind of print on demand store at all. But then this opportunity came up, so I was like, why not try it? So I tried it for Father's Day. It did very well. The far left product I did, I'll probably test that one out last. I think I did. And the other 4 I tried first. The last one, it hit hard. So, matter of fact, it hit so hard I got banned from Facebook because I was trying to scale way too fast. I'm not ashamed to say that, because I was trying to push out as much sales as possible in 3 days. So these figures that you see were basically 3 to 4 days of running ads. And what happens too is that I got some organic traffic, so when I stopped it right before my deadline of June 14th, the ads still kept running organically, and hence the reason why I have these sales, because I wasn't pushing these out at all. So I posted them on my page, but then I think people were actually going to my page after this stopped running. They're kind of seeing what kind of items that I had, and then they started buying these from those posts on my page. So, but anyway, so the way to find winning product designs, this is what I did, was just go to Etsy and just type in funny mugs. And then what you do is, on the far right, just click top customer reviews. And you're just gonna kind of scroll through and look for the highest amount of reviews on products. Like 5,000, 2,300, almost 5,000 right here. 183, it's not really that high. 2,000. 8,000. 1,000. Alright, so what I do is that I'll click on it, and the one key thing I look for is they have to have 20 of these items in the cart. So what I mean by that is, if you scroll down and look to the right, where it says other people want this, where it says 16 people have this in their carts right now, I'll look for this to be 20. So that's, to me, in my eyes, that's basically like a viral product. And then I kind of just like add my twist to it. So you can put like, a smart woman once said, I'm not gonna cuss because I want to monetize this video eventually, but to F this, and then she lived happily ever after. But yeah, just switch it up a little bit, and then put your own spin on it. And then what I did, it's like I did 50 the first day, then I went to, if it sold 2 in that first day, then I immediately put it in 250 the next. And then I tried to scale it more than that, and then that's when I got banned from Facebook. But just try 250. If you have enough lead time, I'd say try that. And then just run that as long as you can, and hopefully you get some sales. But yeah, start at 50, then go to 250. And because once I did that, that's how it just skyrocketed for this product. So that's what happened. And the targeting on it was literally like completely broad. I did no targeting whatsoever on it. Like I just put 50 the first time, and then I just let it run in the US, and then it automatically just got sales. And then of course Facebook was optimizing on who was actually buying it, and then it just started going up. But with any print on demand store, please do this one thing. That's what I learned the most. If you take anything from this video, please learn this one thing. You have to have a funnel. You have to have a funnel, especially running on Facebook, because they're so expensive. because your product is basically the break-even point. Meaning, like if I'm running this ad, well, if I'm running an ad for this product, when somebody goes to this, I need to have an upsell along with that, and then on an email sequence, send them another product or a complementary product. So what I did was I actually used this, let's see, as my supplement for my ads. So what happens is people go to this item, and then what happens is they go to an upsell, or they see an upsell, and then whatever, like they go to the product page, they see this product, they then will get a notification to upsell, like, hey, you might be interested in this product, which is that dad bod shirt, and either they buy it or they don't buy it, right? But then you're capturing their email on the back end when they actually purchase it. So that's when I send them a Father's Day card to help even out, well, to help mitigate the ad cost. So I'm an affiliate for Love Pop. So these are like some amazing cards that I've never seen before. And I was like super intrigued. I had to partner up with them. So for my gift store, when people buy a product, they get an email, they get, I think, they get a 5 for 50 deal to buy a Father's Day card. So during Christmas, this is gonna be hot. It's gonna be super hot for Christmas. I mean, I think they ran out within like, I think the first 10 days of Father's Day cards, because like they're so amazing, right? So I can just kind of scroll through, show you what they look like. Super detailed, like you will never see anything like this before. Your customers won't, so it's pretty cool. But anyway, yeah, so that's how to help mitigate my ad spend, is by actually following up with them with Love Pop, and I get, I think it's 15% of whatever they purchase from this. So people are buying, a 5-pack. It's not bad, $5, so it helps with the ad cost. But yeah, so. And then also another reason why I chose Gear Bubble is because I used Shopify before in the past and it completely flopped. If you look at the conversion rate, let's do this right now, so you know I'm not making this up. Shopify store conversion rate. I think it's like 1%. The average desktop conversion rate for Shopify stores is 1.4%. And only 20% of all Shopify stores are over 3.1%. That's insane. That is insane to me. So as you saw, this conversion rate is almost 6%. So Gear Bubble is highly optimized on actually converting the customer. Shopify is not, because there's too many different loops on the back end that Shopify users have to go through in order to purchase a product. With Gear Bubble, it's just like, let's go to this, I'll show you real quick. So this is how it looks. So they can select the month, whatever they want. Of course, it gives them the guarantee, the refund policy, how fast they're able to ship the product out. And in the US, Canada, international. But yeah, so they hit buy now. They can either buy another item or just go to checkout with their card. And once they do that, everything's like here. Like everything, all I need to do is just fill this out, and then like they're done. Place order. With Shopify, you're going through 3 different pages just in order for someone to purchase something. That's garbage. Like it's so bad. So yeah, basically I 4x my conversion rate by just simply using Gear Bubble. So I'll leave a link down in the description for Gear Bubbles. You check it out. I'm not an affiliate for Gear Bubble at all, by any means. I'm not an affiliate of Gear Bubble by any means at all. So check it out if you're interested in print on demand in 20. Um, Again, the conversion rate is going to be super high. I would not recommend using Gear Bubble for t-shirts, but hey, go ahead, do your thing. As I showed you, I got some sales from t-shirts, but their bread and butter is going to be their mugs, like high quality mugs. Reason why I say be cautious of using t-shirts with Gear Bubbles because they're super slow when producing the t-shirts. I've noticed that during Father's Day. Maybe it's just because it was Father's Day. There's a reason why they were so slow on actually producing the Father's Day shirts. But nevertheless, still, I mean, just try the mug and then upsell with a t-shirt. You can do that if you want. But yeah, guys. So yeah, if you're new to print on demand, again, like people don't like this. Let's go back real quick. If you're new to print on demand, in a nutshell, what happens is when people click buy now and actually order this, that's when it gets produced. Instead of actually like having to inventory these and actually having to store these at a facility that are already printed, I don't pay for anything until someone actually buys one of these products. Like there's no campaigns either too. Like I think Teespring does this where I guess you've set a campaign for like 50 products. What happens is when people go to Teespring, order your product, the product doesn't get released to the actual customer until all 50 are fulfilled, which kind of sucks. But I mean, it's free. I get it. It drives down costs also, but for me, I'm like more of a get now type of guy for my customers. I don't want them to have to wait or just a maybe, because what happens if only 25 of those 50 orders that you need get fulfilled? What happens to those? So then you gotta wait till like the end of the campaign's over for all of them to get released. That's stupid to me. But anyway, yeah. Again, check out Gear Bubble. You don't need a bunch of apps either for this platform. Of course, with Shopify, you need a track your order. Sorry, you need a track your order app so people can go on there and just track your orders. You need badges. You need like all this kind of stuff that you need for your store that you have to like pay $20 an app for, and it ends up being like $120 a month because you have all these apps attached to your store for a 1% conversion rate. It's mind blowing to me. But anyway, hope this video helps you guys. If you dug it, give me the like button, give me the thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. Comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.